right, my witches, I am teaching you my favorite, my fastest, my most fabulous energy mastery hack today. First, I'm going to show you how to do it. Then I'm going to teach you how to use it as a diagnostic tool for energy mastery. Here's what you're going to need. Your body. That's it. Step 1. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position, preferably with some part of your body making contact with the earth or at least the ground. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and envision colored light flooding into your body as you do. Don't decide ahead of time what color the light will be. Just allow the light to show you what color it is in your mind. Are you ready? Let's try it. Okay, I got a kind of green, yellow, almost like the Northern Lights, kind of like neon-y yellow-green is what I got that time. Let's try it again, see what we get next time. That time I got a bright coral, almost like this back here, but even brighter. And it had a little bit of sparkle to it too. Okay, I'm gonna do this one more time, but I'm not gonna tell you what I got this time because I don't want to influence you. Ready? Gorgeous. All right, so make note of what colors you saw, and now we're gonna talk about what those colors might mean. Let's start with the rainbow colors, which are of course linked to the chakras. But before we go any further, I want to remind you that your personal associations will always trump these cultural associations. What does the color feel like? What does it mean to you? That is the most important thing in all of this. We'll start with red. Red is associated with the base chakra. So this is your connection to the physical world, your ability to thrive and survive in this physical form. If you are breathing in red light, you may be seeking stability. This could mean financial stability or physical stability. Notice what's going on with your body. What are you feeling and where? Orange and fiery colors are associated with the sacral chakra. Breathing in orange or flame colors is a sign that you are ready to reconnect to your sexuality, your creativity, your inner fire, your passion. Yellow light is associated with the solar plexus, the seat of our sense of self. Breathing in yellow light is a sign that it is time to show up and shine as your authentic self, share your truth, speak your mind, be yourself, as loud and proud as you possibly can. Green represents the heart chakra. Breathing in green light suggests that you are ready for some compassion, some forgiveness, some love. You are ready to step into your role as love. Blue light is associated with the throat chakra, which rules communication. Breathing in blue light may be a sign that you are ready to speak about something that maybe you haven't shared with the world just yet. Or that it's time to have a conversation you may have been avoiding. Indigo or purple light is associated with the third eye chakra, which is our connection to the unseen. Breathing in violet light may be a sign that you have spiritual abilities you don't even know about or that you haven't been practicing, and it is time to reconnect with those. Magenta, pink, fuchsia, these are the colors of the crown chakra, which is our direct connection to source energy. Breathing in these colors may be a sign that there's a message for you from beyond, and all you need to do is be quiet and listen. White, silver, and rose gold colors are associated with healing. So if you are breathing these colors in, it may be that you are in need of some healing right now. Black is the color of the void and of transformation. The void is where we can release things to that are not for us, and we never have to deal with them again. And it is also the place that we can take things from that do not exist yet in our reality. So if you are breathing in black light, it may be a sign that you are ready for your next chapter. Sparkling, shimmering, or flashing lights are a sign of miracles, magical synchronicities that are about to bubble up and surprise you in your life. Seeing a full rainbow or a whole bunch of colors mishmashed together is a sign that you are ready to integrate all the different parts of yourself. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, you'll probably find a lot of my stuff helpful, so do all the things. Meanwhile, I would love to know what colors you saw. Share in the chat.